So in the second stanza, he sits on his rocking chair. This astronaut, rocking chair means it is a type of chair which is built on two pieces of curved wood so that it moves forwards and backwards when you are sitting in it. So he is sitting in this type of rocking chair and he is swaying it. Swaying means to move slowly, rhythmically, backwards and forwards. So what is the meaning of rocking chair? A chair which can rock back and forth because of its curved wooden pieces. Okay, so here we have seen the astronaut. He is swaying in his rocking chair and he is watching the moon through the trees from his window. Okay, and he thought that there once he stood in the moon, in that space. He is enjoying the beautiful scene of the moon which can be seen through the window. Now let us read the third stanza of this poem. I was there once, he thought. I stood on that globe. Now it is like a football shining in space. This astronaut, he is looking to that moon and he was thinking that I was also there at once in my life. When he was an astronaut, he used to go in the space. So he is saying that once in his life he stood on that globe also. Now it appears like a football shining, which is shining in the space. Here in the third stanza, the poet is using the simile. Simile means when we are comparing using a word or phrase that compares something to something else. So that is simile. So he has used the simile for the moon. He is saying the moon here a globe and the football. He is saying it appears like a football. As you know, globe is also round in shape, football is round in shape, and the moon is also round in shape. So he is comparing the moon to a globe and football in the third stanza, and it seems very beautiful. It is shining in the space. As he was sitting on his rocking chair, he recalls his memories. He was thinking about the moon and the moon appears to him as a football. Now we will see the fourth stanza of this poem. And he could hardly believe it that in his helmet and in his bulky spacesuit he would stir that far dust. In the fourth stanza, the astronaut, he is asking that it is very hard to believe that he was not able to believe that once he was also visiting the space in his voyages. And here helmet means it is a hard or padded protective hat which was worn by various people. Might be you have seen the cycle helmet and you are also riding a cycle, you are wearing the cycle helmet, and there is, when someone is riding the bike, they used to wear the helmets for protecting their head. So by being an astronaut, he too wore a helmet. Okay, and in his bulky spacesuit, bulky here means heavy or large, which means it is taking so much space. So he used to wear that bulky space suit. Here stirred means to move or make the dust move slightly. Okay, so when he was walking on the moon, when he used to go in the space and wearing his space suit and helmet, he was walking, so the dust was moving from there slightly, okay, as he walks. So we have seen he was feeling tired, that moon dust had been disturbed when he walked on it with his uniform bulky space suit, that is, and that was very heavy and large. So, after recalling all these, he feels nostalgia. This poem is nostalgia. It means a feeling of sadness with pleasure and affection when you think of happy time happened in the past. So, in this poem, we have seen this astronaut who was a retired person now sitting on his rocking chair and swaying it, recollects his memories very fondly and feels nostalgic. In this poem, poet describes about an astronaut who completed his voyages from planet to planet and star to star. After his retirement, on one late evening, he was swaying on his chair and saw the moon through the trees and remembered of his voyages and the time he spent in space. How he was feeling by wearing the helmet and his bulky suit. He was thinking about all. He recollects his memories and enjoy watching the moon.